And my son is like now 5.5 years old, and he can read like anything. He can read anything.
Now he is able to read the sentences as you shown the video. I was very amazed to see that, and thank you so much.
So now she's confidently blending 7 to 8 letter words and she's reading a storybook and some words also she is able to read.
And once he started blending, there was no stopping in his reading process. He was just he kept on reading all the words, and he fell in love with reading.
Basically, he has got the first prize in English storytelling, rhymes.
Wow.
Everything
Amazing.
he got first prize. Yes.
And even spelling wise, he doesn't learn spellings. He tries to phonetically spell out everything.
Like he is in senior KG right now, but he can read better than a second grader, I must say.
And my daughter is getting a lot of benefits from it. My son is also, getting. He's also going to get a lot of benefit from it.
Rayansh is very happy. He has fallen in love with reading. Actually, as a practice, I read a storybook to them every day, every night actually before bed. So sometimes even if I feel tired, he says I will read the book for his younger brother.
Absolutely. He is so happy and confident about himself that he can read it.
So she confidently holds a mic and she can say very confidently all the words.
And right now he is 8 years old and he is confidently speaking anything to Japanese. He is good in spoken as well as he can read the storybooks as well as whatever. And he is first in his school, his class.